In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a number by half in Google Sheets on your desktop. This might sound straightforward, but it's important to clarify because dividing by half can actually mean two different things. You could mean dividing a number by 2, which is essentially taking half of that number, or you might mean dividing by 0.5. The latter is mathematically akin to multiplying by 2, effectively making the number larger. Let's explore both methods. First, let's tackle dividing a number by 2. Imagine you have a list of numbers in Google Sheets, and your goal is to calculate half of one of these numbers. Begin by clicking on the cell where you want to display the result. This is your target cell for the outcome. Next, you'll input a formula. Type in an equal sign to initiate the formula creation process. Following the equal sign, input the reference of the cell that contains your original number. For example, it might be A1 if that's where your number is located. After that, type /, which is the symbol for division in Google Sheets, and press the number 2. Your formula should now look like this: A1, 2. When you're ready, hit Enter. At this point, the cell you clicked first should display half of the original number. If you need to apply this formula to an entire column of numbers, Google Sheets provides a handy tool called the fill handle. When you click on the bottom right corner of your formula cell, you'll see a small square. Click and hold on this square, then drag it downward over the cells you want to fill with your formula. Release it, and Google Sheets will automatically calculate the result for each row in that column. Now, let's move on to the second interpretation of dividing by half, which actually involves dividing a number by 0.5. Interestingly, dividing by 0.5 is the same as multiplying by 2, mathematically speaking. In terms of Google Sheets, this means we will be using a multiplication formula rather than a division one. Similarly to the first technique, select the target cell where you want your result. Then, activate the formula function by typing an equal sign. Input the cell reference for your original number. Perhaps it's also A1 here. This time, instead of a /, type an asterisk, which signifies multiplication, followed by the number 2. The formula should read like this: A1, 2. Once you've got that right, press Enter, and you'll see that your result is twice the original number. Both of these methods are simple yet powerful tools within Google Sheets that can make numerical tasks much easier. Understanding the context and the goal of your division is crucial, and you now know how to use Google Sheets to effectively manage both interpretations of dividing by half.